दिस इज योर टॉप फेस है.
यस सर.
इस पे यूटेंसिल्स आएंगे. ओके.
हाँ.
दिस इज द नॉब टू एडजस्ट द टेम्परेचर एज वेल
Yes,
एज टाइम.
temperature. Yes, both will vary. So we will have capacitive buttons.
Okay.
जिससे वो change हो जाएगा कि whether we want to change the temperature
Or
or the
time.
time.
Okay. With the
And
same
even more functions that we will add
with the
same knob.
with the
Yes.
same knob. Okay. So where is the heat source?
Heat source will be inside, sir. I'll show you. So it will be under this. If you
Okay.
see the fins, there will be a coil inside the fins.
Okay. So is there any cooling facility? Maybe.
Cooling,
Any
yes, sir.
alarm?
Yes, there is a fan inside that
Okay.
we have provided. So it is in the middle. If you can see this over here, that is the fan part.
Okay.
So depending on certain temperature, so an induction will put out a maximum wattage of 1800 watts.
Okay.
So after a certain wattage, whenever the components get heated beyond a certain temperature, the fan will kick in and try to cool down the components.
Whether there is any temperature indicator or maybe
As of right now, no.
no. Okay. Suppose देर आर डिफरेंट डिशेज ना कि अब दूध गर्म करना है या कुछ और करना है.
राइट.
तो सबके लिए अलग अलग
टेम्परेचर लिमिट्स होती है. प्रीसेट्स रखेंगे.
प्रीसेट्स रखेंगे.
हाँ. तो जैसे वो नॉब है, इस नॉब से वंस वी सिलेक्ट द प्रीसेट, वी विल हैव अनदर डिस्प्ले ओवर हियर through which we can scroll with the wheel and select whether it's milk, it's water, और मैगी बनानी है, एग्स बॉईल करना है. ऐसे अलग अलग प्रीसेट्स देंगे.
So what is the material?
Sir, right now we are shuffling between, for the body part, for this part, we are shuffling between aluminum and PVC plastic.
Okay.
And the top surface will be glass.
Okay. So, but you have to check for the temperature, whether this material will sustain that temperature or not.
Okay.
So maybe some kind of analysis you have to done.
Okay. So thermal simulation, and that can help.
Yeah, that can help. So that will help you to decide the material.
Okay.
Okay.
So we can run this simulation
as well as
various materials.
Yes.
And select.
Or maybe you can see which maybe this, there is some comparison posted earlier.
Okay.
So you can read those documents also.
Okay.
So why plastic is not being used frequently for the induction? You have you have to see those data.
Understood.
Okay.
And any other feedback regarding the design?
Design seems to be fine, but what is the thickness? This thickness?
This thickness will be, sir, approximately 100 mm.
100 mm.
Yes.
So what is the previous thickness of induction? Have you measured that?
That is it varies from 50 to 75.
Okay. So why extra 25 millimeter thickness is added? Any idea?
So that 25. So if you see in the design, we have added fins inside.
Okay.
So these fins will help us channel the air into the fan.
Okay.
So just to accommodate those fins and not compromise, thermally on the internal components.
Okay.
We have increased the height.
So yes.
Because the normal gas stove that we have is about 100 mm in height.
So I think that will increase the efficiency.
Yes.
If we compare with the previous
one.
induction. Okay.
Yes.
Fine.
That's it, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.